How to fix sound only coming from one side of the headset or speaker. Hello everyone, and let's get started. If you have connected a headphones to your Windows 11 but the sound is only receiving from one side of the headset, here are two troubleshoots that you can apply. So the very first one would be the sound settings. For that, open the settings on your Windows 11 and then go to System and then on Sound. The first thing you have to check is for the mono audio. Make sure that it is turned off, and the next one is check for the volume. Additionally, you can also troubleshoot for the sound problems. Likewise, the next solution is open your control panel and click on Sound option. For this, you have to first select on View by Large Icons and only click on Sound. Now select your headphone or the speaker, click on it and then tap on its properties. Once you click on Properties, go to the Levels. Once you click on the Levels tab, you have the Balance button. Tap on it and make sure that the balance is there. Click on OK, then go to Advanced. Make sure to untick Enhance with Enhancements or Enable Enhancements, or you could just click on Restore Defaults. Tap on Apply and then on OK, and your problem should probably be fixed. So that is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.